Today review is the latest Tomica Premium Ferrari BB512 versus the made in Japan 1979 release. This 1979 release was part of the Tomica Foreign Car series, and I'm very happy to have this casting in my Tomica collection to compare it side by side with the latest release. It comes in 1/62 scale with standard Tomica wheels. The condition is very pristine, and being produced in 1979, you can see there's a lack of details in this casting. There's no painted rear light and Ferrari logo, but one of the highlights is it comes with opening rear, which is a great deal almost 40 years ago. And I'm very shocked that there is a huge scale difference between the 70s 1/62 scale and the present day 1:61 scale. The latest Tomica Premium comes fitted with star wheels and is produced under the license of Ferrari and Michelin Group, which is Tomica competitor. Just like the Premium Testarossa, this BB512 comes with retractable headlights with a simple push. Unlike the 70s, there are now details on the front and the prancing horse logo on the grille. And what's more, it comes with opening rear with added details as compared with the 1979 version. There's also plenty of details on the rear for the latest BB512. Overall, this Tomica Premium 512 is a very worthwhile casting to get. It also comes with the commemorative version, which was sold out in Japan on the day of its release. This is the second commemorative Ferrari after the Testarossa. The 1979 also has the yellow variation, which is now very hard to get. But Tomica did a very good job with this BB512, such as the differentiation between the yellow color on the logo and the body. Except for TLV Ferrari release in March, there is no news for Tomica Premium Ferrari release. So will this be the last Tomica Premium Ferrari? Merry Christmas everyone, bye!